Hello everyone, welcome back to SNS Path. We heal and learn together. Today we are going to see about an important topic of alimentary canal of first year BSc nursing students of applied anatomy. Let's go into the topic. By end of this section, you will be confidently know about the alimentary canal structures from the to anus, and you will be able to apply it in the patient side and able to know the assessment, and is very useful in the point outing of NG2 placements and on nutrition exploiting, and is helpful in our patient care. Let's go into the topic. Alimentary canal is a digestion tract which is of imagine of the 9-meter long tube starting to your body, that is of starting from the mouth and at the anus, and is a highway for the food enters as a meal and get broken down by the digestion and absorbs the nutrition and exits as a waste. Alimentary canal is a main for the food entry purposes and moves to the anus after the digestion. It's a tube which starts from the mouth and ends in the anus. It plays a major role in the human digestion, and hence it is termed as digestion tract. Here we are lining up the key players. The mouth and the oral cavity, the esophagus, and next is of stomach and small intestine, large intestine. They are not isolated; they are like a team. Each handling of the food which is forming from the bowels with the precision as the nurses, we access them holistically, that is oral hygiene prevents infections, and esophagus motility flags as axillary, and stomach acidity which links to that of ulcers. Here is a process of mouth. One is of mouth, and second is of the enters of teeth, which is helping to form the food as a bolus. And there is a salivary gland, which is also help in formations. And fourth is pharynx, and fifth is of esophagus, and sixth is of liver, and seventh is stomach, and pancreas, and large intestine, and small intestine, and rectal, and anus. Here, some of the parts which will not directly will be helping for the digestion, indirectly will be helping. Because the liver is not the part of alimentary canal, but this is of helping for the formation of bile, and the gallbladder is the storage of the bile and releasing for the digestion purposes. Like that, each part is of linking with the alimentary canal. The oral cavity, our entry gate, which is of including of palate, that dome roof which prevents the food that going up to the nose, and the tongue is a muscular, powerful for the tasting and swallowing, and teeth which is of chewing are the grinds which forms of the bowels. This is the anatomy of the oral cavity. Just soft plate, hard plate, teeth and lip and alva and the tonsils where it is located, and floor of the mouth and tongue from the 2 by 3 and the gingiva, that is of gum. X is of pharynx is of the throat crossroad for the food and air. It is a muscular funnels, but here is a heel, the epiglottis. This flank snaps shut like the gate and routing the food to the esophagus and air to the trachea. Just imagine no epiglottis, this may be getting of aspiration, pneumonia in stroke patients. We prevent it with the we can prevent it with the thickened liquids so that it is easy. Esophagus is a 25 centimeter muscular tube zipping to the bowels, and from the pharynx to stomach waves a peristalsis movement. These are the waves that fuse at the end. The bottom, the gas tube is splinter is present. A one-way valve preventing the reflexes. In practice, heartburn. We can say that heartburn is of splinter slack. Can also medicated with the or elevated with the GRD diseases, and also obstructions here is of emergency conditions. So think about the foreign bodies in kids, and so that we have to always for the kids we have to assess the swallow safety always. Now come the stomach. The J-shaped muscular pouch is the upper left abdomen and chewing the food into cheese. And there is also small intestines where we can say that the gastric enzymes and oases are making an absorption is take place. How it is located. The small intestine is of 6 meter, which is of maximum absorption will be taking place, and price of duodenum 25 centimeter, and of jejunum, this is absorption area, and also ileum is of B2, and bile recycler is of ileum, and villi and microvilli is also present, which is of the trapping of the nutrients. Whatever we are seeing, the title alone is of mapped here. Just go to it. Reference. Thank you for watching SNS Spark. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye.